In 26 March 1971, by proclaiming the independence, Shahid Ziaur Rahman became the first president of Bangladesh.
I, Ziaur Rahman, do hereby declare the independence of Bangladesh.
He physically fought against Pakistani forces to snatch the independence, and through his active leadership on the ground we earned our desired motherland, Bangladesh. President Ziaur Rahman played an important role in promoting Bangladesh as a dignified nation to the international arena. Under Ziaur Rahman's leadership, Bangladesh became a non-permanent member of the Security Council. Ziaur Rahman initiated South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, known as SAARC, and also led the peace process during Iraq-Iran war as an influential member of the peace mission in 1978. Gradually he emerged as a world leader. It is worth remembering that prestigious newspaper The New York Times on 4th October 1976 reported that no one will starve in Bangladesh this year because of good harvest, and inflation that was running at about 60% last year has been brought under control. One principal reason for the improvement in Bangladesh is the weather. Another, according to knowledgeable people in Dhaka, is Ziaur Rahman. On 25th June 2014, the Chicago City Council of the United States of America unanimously passed a motion to pay tribute to Shahid President Ziaur Rahman by designating Honorary Ziaur Rahman Way. Every single council member who attended the House voted in favor to designate the corner of North Clark on West Pratt Boulevard. 33 years after the martyrdom of the president, the Chicago City Council paid tribute to his achievements. On 14 September, the ruling Democratic Party's chair, Emeritus Alderman Joe Moore, inaugurated the Ziaur Rahman Way in Chicago of Illinois State.
Thank you very much, and hello to all of my friends here in Chicago, and welcome to those who have traveled far and wide to attend this auspicious occasion. We celebrate our diversity. We celebrate our differences and respect our differences. And we celebrate our democracy. And it is with that in mind that we gather here today to honor not only a great person from the nation of Bangladesh, not only a great leader of Bangladesh, but a great leader of the world. Ziaur Rahman was a good man. We are here to honor him today. We are here to pay homage not only to a man, but to the movement for self-determination. Now that we are gathered here on the corner of Clark Street and Pratt Boulevard, that will now become known as Honorable Ziaur Rahman. I want to give special recognition to the person who brought this great man to my attention, a good friend of me, a good friend of our community, Mohammed Shah. Thank you for bringing this to you. Launching of these balloons with the flag of your nation to celebrate this great day and to pay tribute to a great people and a great country.
Thank you.
Tariq Rahman, Senior Vice Chairman, Bangladesh Nationalist Party. The Alderman Moore. I have been made aware that Chicago City Council is named in honor of my late father, President Ziaur Rahman of Bangladesh. Personally, it is an honor for me to receive this news. as late President Ziaur Rahman was very much committed to strengthening bilateral ties between Bangladesh and the US during his time in office. I am sure if President Zia was present amongst us today, he would have been very much honored and touched by this gesture shown by the City Council of Chicago and its citizens. I would also like to extend the gratitude of my family members, including my mother, former Prime Minister Begum Khaleda Zia, to the members of the City Council for taking the decision to initiate this honor.
It's a great privilege and great honor, and as a nation, as a citizen of Bangladesh, I feel proud that I am here. And as a nationalist, as an activist of Bangladesh Nationalist Party, I feel proud that Chicago City Council, they express their honor to our great leader who declared our national independence. That's why we are free. That's why we are an independent citizen.
The highest levels of your government. The Bangladesh ambassador to the United States spoke to me on the phone. The Bangladesh ambassador to the United States flew to Chicago to meet with me, to try to convince me of the error of my ways. But I informed him in our telephone conversation. I said, you know, there's room for disagreement, and there's room to recognize you may disagree with somebody, but at least recognize that they were an influential person and an influential leader. So let us do what we want to do in the community of Rogers Park in the city of Chicago. I look forward to continuing our friendship, to forging greater ties between the people of my community, of my city, of my nation, and the people of Bangladesh, particularly those who are progressive-minded, who believe in justice and equality for all, who believe in democracy, who believe in self-determination. And so I will continue to work with the leaders of your community.
বাংলাদেশের প্রথম রাষ্ট্রপতি ও স্বাধীনতার ঘোষক, বাংলাদেশের সফলতম প্রেসিডেন্ট, বাংলাদেশের সবচেয়ে জনপ্রিয় দল বিএনপির প্রতিষ্ঠাতা শহীদ রাষ্ট্রপতি জিয়াউর রহমানের নামে মার্কিন যুক্তরাষ্ট্রের শিকাগোতে জিয়াউর রহমান ওয়ে নামে একটি সড়কের নামকরণ করা হয়েছে। প্রিয় নেতৃবৃন্দ, উপস্থিত সাংবাদিক ভাইয়েরা, আপনারা জেনে আরও আনন্দিত হবেন, শিকাগো সিটি প্রশাসন বাংলাদেশের স্বাধীনতার ঘোষক এবং বহুদলীয় গণতন্ত্রের প্রতীক শহীদ জিয়াউর রহমানের কৃতিত্বের প্রতি সম্মান জানিয়ে প্রতি বছর 25শে মার্চ শিকাগোতে জিয়াউর রহমান ডে পালন করার সিদ্ধান্ত নেয়। দুই 2004 সাল থেকে প্রতি বছর 25শে মার্চ শিকাগোতে প্রবাসী বাংলাদেশিরা স্থানীয় জনগণকে সঙ্গে নিয়ে নানা আয়োজনে পালন করে আসছে জিয়াউর রহমান ডে। এই দিবসটি পালনের প্রেক্ষাপট হিসাবে 2004 সালে শিকাগো সিটি প্রশাসন আনুষ্ঠানিকভাবে 1971 সালের 26শে মার্চ জিয়াউর রহমানের স্বাধীনতার ঘোষণার পর দীর্ঘ 9 মাসের মুক্তিযুদ্ধের মধ্য দিয়ে বাংলাদেশের রাষ্ট্রের উদ্ভব হয়। প্রিয় নেতৃবৃন্দ, একটি গণতান্ত্রিক রাষ্ট্রের প্রশাসন বিদেশি নাগরিকগণ তথা শিকাগো সিটি মেয়র, অলডারম্যান, দেশটির স্থানীয় রাজনৈতিক নেতা ও জনপ্রতিনিধিরা যেভাবে সকল মিথ্যা উপেক্ষা করে বাংলাদেশের স্বাধীনতার ঘোষক ও আধুনিক বাংলাদেশের রূপকার শহীদ রাষ্ট্রপতি জিয়াউর রহমানের প্রতি যেভাবে সম্মান দেখিয়েছেন, এতে বাংলাদেশের জনগণ গৌরব বোধ করে। এই ধরনের একটি ইতিবাচক উদ্যোগ গ্রহণের জন্য আমি বাংলাদেশের জনগণের পক্ষ থেকে, আমার দল বাংলাদেশ জাতীয়তাবাদী দলের পক্ষ থেকে শিকাগোর সিটি মেয়র মিস্টার ইমানুল, মিস্টার জোসেফ মুর, সিটি প্রশাসনের সঙ্গে জড়িত সকল কর্মকর্তা, সর্বব্যাপী শিকাগোর প্রতিটি নাগরিকের প্রতি শুভেচ্ছা এবং ধন্যবাদ জানাই। একই সাথে ধন্যবাদ জানাই দেশি এবং বিদেশি যারাই এই উদ্যোগের সঙ্গে সংশ্লিষ্ট ছিলেন।
This tribute by the Chicago City reminds the proud British Bangladeshi community in London the state visit President Ziaur Rahman paid in 1980, where he inaugurated the first Bengali inscribed road sign, the Brick Lane, to mark British Bangladesh's presence in the United Kingdom.